Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchpad on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computers. Now just right click on the Start button and then just go to the device manager. From here, just maximize this. And from here, just expand mice and other pointing device. From here, you're gonna find some HID compliant mouse. Just right click on them and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. Then if yours is upgraded to the latest version, just close it. Then just go to the other ones you have and click on update drivers as well and close them. Then just close this section and then just go to human interface device. And from here, try to upgrade all of this. Try to update driver for all of them. And after that, what you can do is just go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix touchpad not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.